Okay, so if you want to give someone access to your hard account or your page, I'm going to show you a very simple way to do that. So once you have logged into your Facebook account, go to on that tab, go to business.facebook.com, then you come to this side, all tools. So click on all tools, then you can click on Ads Manager. So this is going to take you to your Ads Manager. Then once you are in your Ads Manager, the next thing you need to do, come to the left hand side also, click on all tools again, then go to business settings. So in the business settings, that's where the real work is. So when you get to business settings, still loading. Okay, still loading. Let's give some time. Okay, so business setting uploaded. So it's going to bring you to this part. So you can see these people. So once you are there, you can now click on invite people. So click on invite people. Then you type the you tell your client or anybody want to give access to your ad account. You tell them to give you their business um, email, right? So let's say Okunade Olakunle at Gmail. Ask them the email connected to their own business portfolio, right? So you can see, then I'll click on next. So always ask for full access. So click on next again. Then click on assign manually. So this is where you're going to choose which of your business assets you want to give to them. So if I want to give them my Facebook page, I'll click on this, right? And also if I want to give them my ad account, click on this also. I'll click on this too, right? So now the reason why is saying to continue this permission for selected pages, my page is actually restricted. This page is restricted. Okay, so come here and full access, right? So I want to give that email my access to my ad account. So I'll choose that and I'll click on next, right? So I'll click on invite one asset. So I'm only giving this the account um, access to my ad account. So they may ask you to verify your account to be sure that you are the one doing this, right? So just check your what's it called? Check your mail. So let me do that. Check your mail and put the code. So, so this is the code. Okay, code show here. So this is the code here. This. So I'm going to just put it here. Submit. Okay. Still loading. But that's just it. So once you click on submit, click on click done, right? So can I can ignore this for now. So invitation has been sent to join Saturn Advertising Agency, right? Okay. So you can see the invite here. So once the person approve it, you tell the person to check their email. Once they approve it, it's going to be writing active. So that's how to give people access to your hard account. I believe you learned something in this video. If yes, ensure that you comment, you subscribe to this channel because that's how you can help me. See you in the next video.